Professionalism Level of Agricultural Extension in Samosir and Karo District by Helena Thatcher Pakpahan. Preliminary background. The successes of the implementation of agricultural extension known from the certification of farmers with the performance of the implementation of agricultural extension. And number 2, inefficacious and unsatisfactory performance of extension services and service will affect the successes of extension activity. And number 3, farmers complain about poor extension activity where extension workers are not trained in innovation. Extension workers are saved by delays, responsible of the needs of farmers, less able to communication with farmers, have a poor work ethic, prone and errors and spreading the wrong message, and the government is less support in the terms of finding. For implementation, extension activity affect the success of the implementation of counseling. And number 4, reforms are carried out in extension activities as an effort to overcome the problem that exists in extension. Policy framework for the professional extension activity involving accreditation, certification to improve competence, good work ethic, integrity, and accountability. Formulation of the problem. How is the level of professionalism of agricultural extension workers in Karo and Samosir Kabupaten Regensis? Research purpose. Analyzing the level of professionalism of extension workers in Karo and Samosir Kabupaten Regensis. Hypothesis. The professionalism of agricultural extension workers in the high category, competence in the high category. Method. Reason for selection of research place. Potency, people, vacation, local government, researchers' experience, Ancesto village. Distribution of respondents based on subvariables of extension professionalism. 1. The philosophical orientation subvariable has a value with a high category of 44.3%. 2. The development orientation subvariable has a value with a medium category of 46%. 3. The characteristic orientation subvariable has a value with a low category of 45%. 4. The non-traditional orientation subvariable has a value in the low category 47%. Result. Level of professionalism. The level of professionalism of agricultural extension with philosophical orientation in the high category is 44.3%. The development orientation subvariable in the medium category is as much as 46%. The characteristic orientation subvariable in the low category is 45%. And the non-traditional orientation subvariable in the low category as much as 47%. Discussion. Number 1. Professional development of agricultural extension requires professional certification of agricultural extension. Certification of agricultural extension aims to improve the process and quality of work research, increase professionalism, and determine of the feasibility of agricultural extension in carrying out their duties. The condition in the file is that not all extension workers get the opportunity to take part in a certification. Even some extension workers say that the certification received has not shown that the extension worker can be said to be professional. Extension licensee, such as the Professional Certification Institute (LSP), which have obtained a license from the National Professional Certification Agency (BNSP) Center. Results show that the license that the extension workers know is the one that handles the certification and training that extension worker will take part in. BPP accreditation is needed to ensure that the implementation of extension service in the sub-district is guaranteed to run effectively and efficiently and is able to coordinate synergy and harmonize agricultural development program in the sub-district with other stakeholders. Number 2, result in the field in the BPP has not been accredited. 3. The results show the public service relate to farming information about business funds, production facility, the less cultivation methods that can be applied at affordable price, post-harvest handling and marketing. Extension officials have carried out outreach activity by establishing procedure. Number 4. The method used in extension activity is adjusted based on materials and media that are by the characteristic of agricultural farmers. The methods that are often used in extension activity are lecture, exhibition, discussion, and demonstration method. 5. Indonesia agriculture extension workers have professional organizations such as Medicine with its ID. The Agriculture Extension Professional Organization is named the Indonesia Agriculture Extension Association, IP2SI. Organization will fight for the great ideas of extension workers throughout Indonesia for the advancement and independence of agriculture and the improvement of the fate of extension workers in the future. The extension organization other than IP2SI is the Indonesia Agriculture Extension Association, Perhiptani. Perhiptani aims to support government program and community activity in realizing a strong and modern agricultural system. This research is the extension worker have more Perhiptani professional organization because Perhiptani is the official professional organization for agricultural extension workers throughout Indonesia. Extension education is a bachelor degree in agriculture, forestry, and veterinary medicine. Number 6. Support for the implementation of agriculture extension is very much needed, such as support from various parties such as extension agency, local governments, academic, and business actors. Agricultural management is carried out through farmers group and agrotourism awareness group, POK-Darwis. 7. Agricultural extension are also required to have and comply with a code of ethics extension profession. Perhiptani compiles a code of ethics that must be obeyed by all agricultural extension workers under this organization. The code of ethics for agricultural extension later became known as the 5 ethics of agricultural extension. Suggestions. 1. Policymakers, central and regional, the professionalism of the instructor must always be improved. 2. Counselor, improving the professionalism of the extension agent so that the extension worker can encourage and assess the community for promotion through various communication media and expand the network. Welcome to Karo and Samosir Regions. Thanks. I love Danau Toba.